Today on Z Factor, we turn the pressure up on Grandpa.
Hey man, I don't think it's supposed to be doing that.
So yeah, dude, what's going on is the old Dodge. She got an awful power steering leak. She's dropping fluid like crazy. I got a new power steering line. Got some wrenches by my buddy King. We're gonna get it taken care of this time. Get it right. So yeah, what Robert was showing us earlier is this high pressure line right here is severely leaking, and it goes down to the rack boy down there. Let's get some light, Robert. Dang, that's wild. All right, put her off on down there. There's our little rack boy down there. That one over there. We're gonna take that. We're gonna take that back there. We're gonna get it done. There's our fitting right there. We're gonna come in here. It's our 18mm line wrench. Right there on that boy right there. And break loose. Some power steering fluid might come down my face, but that's okay. Oh, it's still hot. Still hot. Yeah, there's some power steering fluid. Oh, that's a lot more than I thought. There's my drain pan real quick. You can see. Damn. Man, this is done. Whoa. There you go. Now we're going to come to the fitting on top of the steer gear or the steering box. This is also an 18mm. Use a line wrench because you will strip that bad boy out. There it is. Oh, she grimy. Once you crack them loose, they'll come off pretty easy with the fingers. Alright, we're going to have to go pull that out from up top. We're back at the top. We've got the power steering line right here. We got it loose downstairs. Just gonna finagle that thing out of there. Carefully on the 24-year-old cook. Oh, there she is. Ta-da! Okay, so now we got our power steering line here. And there's some O-rings in the kit. There's two green O-rings, about 10mm in diameter. And you got this nifty little installation tool. To put these on the line, don't have dirty hands like me. Put that on there, like so. You can put a little spin on that. Just tap it down with your little tool there, just like that. Then you can go over here to this other one. Put it on there like so. Put your little dab on it. Just like that. You are now done with this little bit. Let's dive in. I'm just gonna tap my hand and then we'll come in. Okay guys, so we got the top side connected on the back of the pump. It is just finger tight. We're going to tighten it up from the bottom. Okay guys, so now we're underneath the truck. We got the other ring. The one that was put on earlier but then dropped and we had to find it and put that bunk on. Everything's nice and wet now so we don't have to spit again. We come in here, rotate this hose. Stab it on in the hole. Okay guys, we are done here. we have the bottom line hooked up, top line hooked up. We kept going back and forth with it. There was a lot of figuring out. I had to take the windshield washer fluid reservoir out of there because I broke the nipple off the pump and it puked the whole bottle all over me. There she is. My buddy, Robert, my brother-in-law, he took off for kid reasons. But we got King here. There you go, that's better. I saw that light right off in your eyes, dude. Anyways, we got it done. We're about to put some fluid in there, fire it up, and send it! We got our trusty O'Reilly power steering fluid, and we're gonna put it off in there. I'm gonna drop the whole bottle. I mean, cause most of these power steering pumps all have like almost the same reservoir, right? So, and I'm pretty sure that bottle is engineered for that pump. Yeah.
That's a good system. That's a good strategy there.
Makes engineering sense.
Big Phil, this was a heck of a job well done.
O'Reilly
Auto Parts.
Watch out for that light, I don't want it to fall on your head. Alright, I'm about to hop in there and start turning it.
Oh, she looks good, brother.
Tomorrow I'll bring clean everything off. Bro, I appreciate your help. One hell of a... Oh, dude, my hair is soaking wet, man. Did it hit you in the face?
That's some greasy snap.
Oh, look at the mullet, bro.
You have a dry head on the.
Dry on one side, wet on the other.
Yeah!
Freaking send it! Anyways, it's done. The Mustang's coming. Keep us subscribed going. We're gonna keep pumping out the fantastic content.
Bring on the 5-0!
Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time!